Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Discord if it's stuck on the loading screen. First, open Task Manager, close Discord, select it, end the task, and try reopening. If that doesn't work, search for Change Time, click Change the time and date, and check your settings. Make sure the date and time are correct. If not, Discord won't start. To fix this, click Set Time Automatically. If it's still wrong, uncheck it, click Change, and enter the data manually. You can also try going to Add or Remove Programs. Search for Discord there, select it, click Uninstall, then download and reinstall it. That's all for now, folks. Take care.